This is a quick set of clips of the slick rock trails in Moab. This is also video taken back from a trip in 2014. I'm almost done with editing these videos, but I keep finding more of them on different hard drives, so here's a little bit more of them. I've actually been back to Moab on this bike since this. You can see I'm kind of struggling with sand and some other things here, and have been working on my skills in those areas since then, so hopefully I'll have those newer videos up shortly and not 3 years from now, since that trip happened this year. It looks like you should be able to go so fast over a lot of this rock stuff, but the edges are so sharp and it's so unforgiving compared to dirt that you really have to go slow to save the suspension and save your rims. It really is amazing terrain, though. It's worth the fee to get into the park to see this place. It's something else. The amount of traction is unreal, too. I'm riding on a Heidenau K60, which is a tire that I really dislike and haven't run since. But this is like the one terrain that it actually works well in. I thought the water would make riding on the slick rock slippery, but it really doesn't. I had more problems with the sand than anything else, and it's just because I didn't know what I was doing. It is interesting watching this as comparison to see how my riding's changed. I sit down a lot in this video.
That's the momentum one. I should have had more of it.
Sit down and don't go very fast. And the sand, I panic in all the sand spots. Really, you just got to go through it. And the 950 is great in the sand. I finally figured it out, but you have to use the throttle.
Yeah!
Moab's super cool place, definitely worth checking out, even on a big bike.